everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we will talk about the power of positive thinking in success. Success is often seen as the result of hard work, intelligence, or luck. While these factors play a role, there's one element that underlies every successful person's journey: the power of positive thinking. Positive thinking is more than just thinking happy thoughts. It is a mindset, a choice, and a practice that shapes how we approach life, overcome challenges, and achieve our goals. It is about focusing on the good in any situation, expecting favorable outcomes, and believing in one's ability to overcome obstacles. This does not mean ignoring problems or pretending everything is perfect. Instead, it means facing reality with hope, resilience, and a constructive attitude. Scientific research has shown that positive thinking is not just motivational fluff. People who maintain a positive mindset experience lower stress levels because they handle challenges more effectively, reducing the harmful effects of stress on the body. They are better problem solvers, more creative, and more resilient when facing difficulties. Positive thinkers often enjoy improved physical health, including a stronger immune system, lower risk of cardiovascular issues, and even a longer lifespan. Their belief in success fuels motivation, driving consistent effort and action. Neuroscience also reveals that our thoughts influence the brain's neural pathways. Repeated positive thinking strengthens connections associated with optimism, problem-solving, and confidence, essentially training the brain to support success. Positive thinking impacts success in several profound ways. Optimistic individuals maintain focus and clarity, concentrating on their goals instead of distractions. They exhibit resilience, viewing setbacks as lessons rather than failures. Their confidence allows them to make timely, rational decisions, and their belief in success keeps them motivated to take action consistently. Positivity also attracts collaboration, support, and mentorship, further enhancing their chances of success. In contrast, negative thinking often limits potential. Thoughts like, "I can't do this" or "I'll never succeed" create hesitation, procrastination, and self-doubt. Positive thinkers replace these limiting beliefs with constructive alternatives, seeing challenges as opportunities and setbacks as temporary obstacles to overcome. History and personal stories of successful individuals provide striking examples of the power of positive thinking. Thomas Edison faced thousands of failed experiments before inventing the electric bulb, yet he never saw failure as defeat. Oprah Winfrey overcame a challenging childhood, poverty, and discrimination, relying on optimism and self-belief to become one of the world's most influential figures. Entrepreneurs like Richard Branson emphasize creativity and a can-do attitude, approaching business challenges with confidence and hope. These stories demonstrate that a positive mindset is a common thread connecting extraordinary achievements. Cultivating positive thinking is a deliberate process. Practicing gratitude by focusing on what we have rather than what we lack helps shift our perspective toward positivity. Visualization of success strengthens confidence, making goals feel achievable. Replacing negative thoughts with constructive alternatives ensures that the mind works in our favor rather than against us. The environment also plays a critical role, as spending time with optimistic, supportive people reinforces a positive mindset. Daily affirmations, focusing on solutions rather than problems, and consciously choosing to act rather than react build the habits that support a positive approach to life. Positive thinking transforms how we respond to challenges. Consider two entrepreneurs facing the same failed project. One sees the failure as proof of inability and gives up, while the other views it as a learning experience, adjusts their strategy, and eventually succeeds. Success is rarely about avoiding failure. It is about maintaining positivity and taking consistent action through adversity. Self-belief is an inseparable companion to positive thinking. Believing in our abilities gives us the courage to take risks, persist despite setbacks, and embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Without self-belief, even the most talented or skilled individuals struggle to reach their potential. Positive thinking also enhances emotional intelligence, which is crucial for long-term success. Optimistic individuals manage stress effectively, communicate clearly, and build strong relationships, allowing them to navigate both personal and professional challenges with ease. Life is full of obstacles, from career setbacks to financial struggles, health issues, and relationship problems. Thanks for watching.